Miss Vickie's Lamb Chops. Today I'm going to show you how to make these wonderful, delicious looking lamb chops. Get ready. All right, everybody, let's grab yourselves 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1.5 tablespoons of rosemary flakes. Get those nice and ready. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and get some red pepper and salt and pepper to your liking. And just go ahead and have that ready so you can season up your lamb chops. Nice and healthy. Get it all up there nice and good all over the lamb chops, okay? Now, I want you to go ahead and pull out some olive oil, and we want to utilize 3.5 tablespoons and pour that into your pan and get your pan nice and hot. Ready to cook these ready-made lamb chops that are nicely seasoned. Okay, let them fry nicely for about 4 minutes on each side. And voila! Look at our scrumptious looking lamb chops, and they taste that way as well. Delicious looking. Very nice. Now go ahead and work you up a side of rice, greens, and maybe some chicken if you want some of that. Have a wonderful Sunday meal. Bye-bye.